What's up, guys? It's been Jamming Outdoors. Today I have a special treat for y'all. Redneck rigging. So, I'm working on my parents' pool today, trying to clear out the black algae out of it with my scuba gear. And I started out using a hand brush, a very stiff, abrasive hand brush. It works well, just my arm gets tired, you know. I got big guns, but not really, but my arms get tired, so I don't want to be doing that all day trying to brush the pool. So I went to Harbor Freight, picked up a $25 pneumatic drill. Works great, nothing wrong with it, but this is the only thing that I could find. It was a polishing pad. So it works, but not very well. Just the small stuff, the stuff that's on the surface, it gets, but I have to really dig into it if I want to get the algae that's really stuck on there. So I took my abrasive, stiff hand brush, drilled a hole in it, threaded a bolt into it, and put it on my drill. So it's not going to spin perfectly, but it's going to work. I got to be careful getting hit by it, because this spinning around is going to hurt if I get hit, but overall I think it's going to work flawlessly. So I'm going to throw my scuba gear on it and we can try it out. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to throw a gear on and then get in.